Okay everyone, we're done with our problem and our lesson. So let's recap the steps of how we got here. We were asked a question by the interviewer. Now our first step was to make sure we understood the question that was being asked of us. We tried to solidify any ambiguities and make sure we really understood what the interviewer was asking. Once we had a firm idea of the problem, we came up with some practice inputs to test out exactly what our function should return. When we had these inputs, then we discussed our approach to the problem. How are we going to solve it? This was a dialogue with the interviewer, and we ended up with some high-level steps that guided us to a solution. Once we had these high-level steps, we used them as a signpost to be able to code out our actual coding solution. And when we had the code on the board, then we took those inputs, we plugged them into the code we had written, and we stepped through the execution at every line to make sure it worked. We caught some mistakes along the way, and we made some adjustments. When we were sure that the code we had written solved the problem as asked, then we thought about the efficiency and the time complexity of our code, and we brainstormed an idea to make it a more efficient solution. All along the way, we made sure to check in with the interviewer and talk about our ideas all along the way. We want to make sure that we have a good impression with this future coworker and they remember that we're a thoughtful, communicative person. Thanks for watching.